Hey, what's going on? Steven here. So today I'm going to do a quick video on DIY LED light strips, and I see a lot of people asking questions on how to DIY your light strips. Every manufacturer is making their own LED boards, and those usually cost a heavy premium. You could, however, just spend $15 and buy an LED strip like this, and then spend another $5 to $10 to get like a cheap power bank, and you got yourself an ambient LED electric skateboard without shelling out hundreds of dollars. Okay, so one of the most crucial things is make sure that you need to get the right LED lights. When you Google Amazon, when you say like LED light strips, don't buy anything that doesn't say a COB LED. Basically, the cheap LEDs that you see on Amazon, those are cheap is because the LED light bulbs are kind of spaced far in between, and when you put on your electric skateboard, those don't look very well because you can see the individual lights and they're very far apart, unless you just put them on the bottom and they will kind of make an underglow of your deck. If you put those LEDs on the side of your board, they're going to look very odd and they're going to look bad, right? So what you want is COB LEDs. COB stands for chip on board. So basically what happens on here is that every single LEDs is jam-packed together. They're so close to each other that to the naked eye it just becomes one light, right? So that's what you want, and you want at least 3 meters for like a traditional skateboard. Go 4 meters. So basically just measure the surrounding area, the surrounding circumference of your board, and make sure you go a little bit longer, and make sure you get the ones that are cuttable. It should say in the description basically something like this. You can cut along the side of the lines like this so that you can trim it down to the precise circumference of your deck instead of having extra over that you can't cut, right? So just to give you a look, this is like a $5 LED color bank. So basically there's like one battery in here that's rechargeable using micro USB, super cheap. I think for me this was $10 because it came in a 2-pack. So yeah, so basically individual cost, this thing is $5 and this thing is $15, so it's $20. And this has adhesive on it, and usually what I found is that it works really well. Just make sure you take an alcohol swab and clean the sides or whatever surface that you want to put these things onto. Another thing is plan where you want to put these battery pack. Usually what I do is I put it on the side like this. For boards that I can use cable ties, right, I would just cable tie them to the truck, somewhere under the truck, so I can hide it. For this board, there's absolutely no space there. So what I would do is use double-sided Velcro, tape it to this side, and then tape it over here, and then just Velcro it over there, and it's gonna be great. And then you plug in your light strip, right? So basically that's really it. Let me plug this in. Once you plug it in, you will see these LEDs. Looks absolutely fantastic. Love the green color, the green alien color type. Just tape it on the side and you got yourself an LED board. Just a little bit finicky, this setup. It's a little bit finicky because for some reason this power bank doesn't turn off by itself. So when I want to turn off the LEDs, I just unplug it. So make sure you put it in a place where this is accessible, such as here. And also remember that you need to charge this once in a while. So also put this on a board in a way that you can take it off to charge, or have a cable that goes to it. My last setup, I didn't think about that. So charging port is like, it's facing like the end, so I couldn't charge it. So that was stupid of me. So just make sure whatever implementation that you do, that there is a charger that you can access for it. Oh, one more thing is, this thing looks great when the LED is on, right? But you turn it off, you see there's enough white edges on the side. There's enough white edges on the side. So think about if you're gonna ride this thing in a day, right? If you're gonna ride this thing in a day, the entire side is gonna look like this neon yellow white color that might be too contrasty or too different from what your color of the board is. So that might be a turn off for some people. For my research, I looked at hundreds of these type of LEDs. They all default with white. So what I'm thinking is you grab a black marker. This is purple. I know I'm not colorblind, just I don't have a black one on hand. Once it's implemented, once you tape it onto the onto your deck, just take out a marker and you can color it. You can just make it into whatever color that you want. Take like a couple minutes to color the side so it's not so striking, right? So it's not like just all white. But what you can't color over is the LED itself, right? The LED, it needs to be this thing needs to be yellow in order for it to be like a yellow color. Or is it? I'm actually not sure what color is underneath and what color is within this. Usually I think it's all green LEDs under, and then the outer surface is just a color, but I'm not sure. But what I do know is if you do color a different color, say if you paint the top black, the color is not going to come out. It's going to look really weird, so don't do that. But you could color the side with a permanent marker to make your setup look great. Okay, cool. So yeah, it's a $20 setup, maybe $25 if you get Velcros to kind of tape to put this on your board. But that's really it. Sure beats selling your board and spending $1,000 more to get the premium setup. Usually LEDs only come with the premium versions of their boards, unless you buy Backfire. Backfire have their kind of regular standard boards with these type of LEDs too. I'll put the links of all these things that you see here in the description below, so that you can go ahead and buy them and save yourself some money. All right, thanks, and see you on the next one. Oh yes, also I'm giving away an electric skateboard that's worth $1,000, an e-scooter, and also a full-face e-bike helmet. More description in the comment section. So be a subscriber, make a comment. Yeah, thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.